Stick around and see how this turned out. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Renovating Renee here, and today I have someone special. I have my cousin Fitt4 AQueen.
Hi.
And today we decided to decorate gingerbread houses.
Ooh.
So the house is already pre-built, which is great. So the only thing that we're gonna do is just decorate it and look forward to see who is the better decorator amongst us two. So we want you guys to put a comment down below and tell us who house turned out the best. So excited.
So excited. Okay, we're about to get started decorating these houses.
We have some, what is this?
Like gumdrops?
Gumdrops, peppermint, and some little things. What is this? I was gonna say a megaphone, but I guess it's some piping for the icing. And this is, what's this?
The icing.
Oh, icing. What I do know is not as easy as it seems.
And the pages and stuff make this look so simple.
You guys, this is not as easy as it seems. Oh, look at my eyes.
How in the world you
It came out. This is a hot frosted mess.
What is it about? I can't. Hello. I can't. It's not coming out.
This is quite difficult. And messy.
Oh. Look, Candace ain't sticking.
Let me go get cleaned up, you guys. This is ridiculous. See, the key is you have to keep everything at the bottom and work from the very top. So what I'm gonna do now is squeeze a little bit of this on one of the gumdrops. This is how you get it to stick. And place it.
Girl, this is a mess. I got to stop. This is too messy. This is a disaster.
You never give up, you never quit.
See, yours coming out good.
Because I'm a winner. Let's try these little heart things. What do you call them? Gumdrops?
Jawbreaker.
I mean, drop. Yeah. Jawbreakers. This is ridiculous.
Yeah.
Okay, guys. I'm going to add the final touches on the house, and when I come back, you'll see the final finish, and you can be the judge. That was so hard. We're going to give you a tour of our houses, so let me start first. It's going to be like a 3D visual.
Very cute. Her house is very cute.
That's the back, you know, no one goes around there, so. Then we have here, Renovating Renee. House number 1. Okay, house number 2.
Guys, here's the back of the house. You have 3 windows in the back. Here you go. This is too messy. Here's my little chimney. My little windows. Front door. Whew, I couldn't do no more, guys.
Okay, house number 2.
House number 2.
So, this was fun, but very challenging and messy. Will we do it again? No. But it was fun. So please comment down below on both of our channels and tell us if you like house number 1,
House number 2,
or house number 2. Thank you, guys. Oh, subscribe to our channels, like, comment, and share. Welcome to the family.
Bye.
Happy holidays.
Happy holiday, guys.